Hello everyone, so if you want to enable the camera to scan QR codes on your iPhone 12 Pro, so first of all open up your settings, now scroll down and locate your camera. Here it is. Now here you gotta make sure that you have your scan QR codes option turned on. So when the switch glows with the green color, it's on. If it's not, simply tap on the switch and activate it. Now, in order to scan our QR code, simply open up your camera application. Now, grab the QR code itself and simply scan it with the phone. So tap on the QR code, and as you see, we've got the link. So simply tap to open up the link. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.